evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com. Wanted to show you a little bit about the 5-minute chart and what we do in pre-market. We'll draw trend lines, and the reason they are prominent is this exact reason right here. Right here on 920, we saw a retracement to touch the bottom of that resistance line, and we called it kiss goodbye before the sell-off. And then the market opened up at 9:30, and the market dramatically sold off. This is primarily due because there was a report out that the European nations were not going to meet tomorrow, and that made the market very nervous. The market does not like uncertainty. So as a result, when you get this type of dramatic move, just simply draw Fibonacci lines from the high to the low. That's exactly what we did here. Let's go ahead and spread this out a little bit. As a result, we had a retracement area right here between the 1236.50 and 1238.50 area. We found nice resistance, a little bit of a sell-off, and found that that sell-off was not going to continue on in the same direction, which we thought. We thought we may have a target down here around 1223. As a result, retraced back up and broke our previous high. With the break of the previous high, we knew we had to readjust our Fibonacci lines from the high to the low, which gave us a resistance area for us to look for a sell-off. And as this sell-off went into consolidation and congestion mode, we saw we had a downside target here of around 1221. 1221 was what we were looking for most of the day. We had a lot of sideways motion. Stayed right within the 15-minute opening range. A lot of chop. And for the close of the day, right here around 4 o'clock, we sold a major sell-off to our primary target. That's how we use the 5-minute chart. Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, October 25th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis and are described in detail in the trading manual and in the live daily Shark Den. We are showing 9 trade setups for a potential profit of 56 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1243.25, represented by this white dotted line. We don't usually trade from 9:30 until 9:45. The news report came out that the European nations were not going to meet tomorrow, and that caused uncertainty, heavy sell-off. We then had an opportunity to get long. That's represented yellow. They're in yellow if I did not take the trade. Target 1 and target 2 were hit. Coming out of the 9:45 no trade zone, we didn't really get any opportunities to get into trades until right here at about 8 minutes to 10. An opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 8 ticks. We then had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. And coming through to the downside, we had an opportunity to get short, and we got a full stop out, minus 16 ticks. We stayed with it, jumped right back on a trade in the same direction. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 11 ticks. Shortly thereafter, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. Notice the time here right around before 10:13 or so, Eastern Standard Time. And then we had a lot of sideways movement, sideways chop. We stayed pretty much within the opening 15-minute range all day, at least until later this afternoon. We had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 12 ticks. And then we went into a no trade zone. No trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long, got target 1 off, got stopped for minus 2 ticks, and then we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. Very active day today. We then had an opportunity to get long right here at around 10 minutes till 2. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 13 ticks. Again, a lot of sideways movement, a lot of sideways chop. We had an opportunity to get short right here at about 3:15 Eastern Standard Time. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. This is a trade I did not get on. That's why it's colored in yellow. For a sell-off down here to around 1222. It came very close to completing the 5-minute Fibonacci retracement. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.